Another successful lease buyout, courtesy of We Buy Exotics. This client signed a 60-month lease on this beautiful Rolls-Royce Cullinan, and after 31 months, he was over it. We were able to get him out of the lease, make the payoff directly to the lien holder, and he couldn't be happier. This is the second vehicle we've purchased from him. If you're in a lease or a finance, call We Buy Exotics. That's what we do.